Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again with another 1stPhorm unboxing. Looks like the guest visitors are here again. Okay, so I've got a pretty big box of goodies here. Okay, first, like before, this time it's in the pink lemonade. My last one was in peach, and it was pretty good. It's not like an overwhelming, overpowering pre-workout. It just gives you a little boost. So this is nice. I don't actually use it that much for my pre-workout, like an actual before my workout. I use it just kind of like to boost myself, little boosts throughout the day. Maybe I have a caffeine problem, I don't know. Okay, so then I have the full mega also, which I've used this last time as well, and I really love it. It is the omega-3 formula, and I mean, this is just good for your heart, your brain, and this particular one from 1stPhorm does not, for me, it didn't do the fishy taste, which is what in my last unboxing video, I was talking about how if it doesn't give the fishy taste, then it's gonna be a winner, and it didn't, so it is a winner. Alright, and then the next one, I'm really excited about this one, is the magnesium and the chocolate sea salt, which I hear is like almost everybody's favorite flavor for this. I'm gonna use this before bed to help me sleep, and apparently this has helped other people with their sleep. So if you have trouble falling asleep like me, it takes me sometimes 1, 2, 3 hours to fall asleep, then maybe give the magnesium a try. And the next up is the Micro Factor. These are vitamin packs, and so this comes with 30 different packets. Antioxidant, multivitamin, EFA, which supports joint health, CoQ10, a probiotic, and fruits and veggies. So I'm really excited to use this since it has like everything that you would need just in these individual packets, vitamin packets. And next I got the blue raspberry BCAA powder, and this is going to be definitely necessary for building the lean muscle. I've been lifting heavier, and if I don't have like strenuous space when I'm like doing my workouts, then I know I need to go heavier. So I'm trying to purposefully go heavier, and I can just feel it in my body that some recovery powder is probably necessary. Then I have two different kinds of protein powder. I have the chocolate banana, which is the coach that I had on the 1stPhorm app. This was his favorite flavor, so awesome. I love chocolate flavored proteins, so. And then this one is so there are two different protein powders. This one is level 1. It's a high quality protein blend, and so I got chocolate banana in that one. This one is the 1stPhorm Formula 1, and it is a pure whey isolate. So if you want to know the difference between like these two protein powders, you can either message me or look it up on their website. It'll give a description about the difference. But both of them mix easily, which is great because I've tried all kinds of different protein powders, and sometimes you shake it and then it's clumpy, and then some protein powders are known to give like stomach aches or bloating, and so these are known to not give stomach aches, and these are known to mix well and taste great. And so you've got a reliably sourced, high quality protein. And then I have a couple of shirts. Alright, got this 1stPhorm shirt. On the back it says, "We do the work, 1stPhorm. Nothing ventured, nothing gained." Love that. And I've got the 1stPhorm Legion of Boom shirt because I recently became 1stPhorm Legionnaire, which means I have my own cool 1stPhorm link. But instead of just sharing my link and everything, I would rather like you guys come over to my Instagram, mandy.t.fit, and talk to me about what your current nutrition is and what your current workout, exercise, schedule, routine looks like, and then I can help you. So instead of like getting on the website and getting overwhelmed with all the different various choices of supplements, just come chat with me. I am so against so many of the fad diets, and I hate when people start a fad diet and then they get off of it and they're filled with emotions and the feeling of failure. And so at 1stPhorm, what's preached is let's find the nutrition plan that you are going to be able to stick to, and then let's supplement where there might be gaps. And so like I was saying, I have a gap in my protein, so I'm going to use protein powder. I have a gap in my muscle recovery. I don't always get even a good like stretch and warm up in because kids sometimes interrupt that. And so yeah, just
because I'm going to show you.
Okay, well, I hope that this unboxing was fun for you because it's fun for me to do the 1stPhorm unboxing and to share with you guys everything that I got. Of course, I'll keep you posted on everything that I try, and it makes it easier for me to tell you my experience also. So make sure you go to Instagram and follow me, mandy.t.fit, and if you're already following me there, thank you so much, and message me if you have any questions about where you're at, or if you just want to have some accountability, and yeah, that would be great. Okay, have a good day. Bye.